I'm trying to find something that will work on the Mac the way Jessica Harris used Drawboard PDF, but they don't have it for Mac. They've only got it for PC. Its price is $10. She even got it on sale for $5. The only thing I found so far that doesn't seem to be as fluid as this and hand-drawn is something that costs $50. So I'm still looking. But I did find out that you can use Preview, which comes with the Mac, and do some hand drawing. For example, we don't need this. I was just going to show you how I did the audio in the introduction using Photoshop. And it's from Classroom in a Book, a couple pages. And this is when you're in the motion workspace. Here it's, you put in an audio track, you add audio track by clicking the little down arrow where the notes are. And if you do this, it kind of, well, that didn't work, but if you do it right, which I don't seem to be doing, yeah, well, there's an arrow, and it makes an arrow, and there's a speaker, and so you add audio, and then you can import the audio into your project. The most important thing here is this little arrow. See that? It's also on the video clip. When you see that little arrow on the audio clip or the video clip, you can edit the audio. You can change the volume so it doesn't interfere with your voice or music. You can fade it in or out. And you can mute it if you want to mute it on a video clip. For example, let's say you have a lot of video clips, you're trying to make a little movie. You can mute the audio that's on each clip so it doesn't interfere with your voice. Nope, didn't get the arrow. Let's see, what's the trick? 1, 2, back up. There, I got the arrow. I'm not sure how to, maybe if I just hit, oh, I can just highlight it and a little hand comes up and I can delete it. I'd like to move this, I can move this over too. So that's kind of cool, but it's not quite as intuitive as what Jessica was doing. There you have it. I'm looking still.